delicious. Dicing these up pretty small so they cook fast and they're not a giant bite of potato in the middle of your burrito. Avocado oil here. Salt. Garlic powder. Black pepper. And the burrito, so let's do some paprika too. Potatoes are almost done. Move those to the side. Obviously, we'll keep cooking a little bit. As long as you don't burn potatoes, you can't really overcook them. And get some chorizo going. Garlic powder, some salt, some more paprika. And I probably need a bigger bowl, but I'll make this work. Let's do some potatoes. Let's do some egg. Chorizo. See if we can actually get these things closed. Almost.